I'm surprised we're back with another video because I'm so inconsistent. but I wanted to do a review today on the Shea Moisture, what's it called? So Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Powder Treatment, and it looks like that. Like, let's say if you have, you know, your Shea Moisture shampoo, and you have that next to it. Now you can like see the product amount difference. But yeah, today is wash day. I have the day off work, so I wash my hair. I did have some nice curls going on once upon a time, but we don't have that no more. So this is what it looks like. I think I washed this on Sunday, and this is what she looks like. Like, literally, I threw my hair in a bun and I was like, bye for the next 2 days, because I don't know. I do need a haircut, that's 100% sure. But so my hair is damaged, and because I bleached it, so the ends are quite, they don't curl as much as they used to, obviously, because when you bleached hair and stuff. So I'm trying to fix it, and I got this on Boots online. Boots sell this, and it has manuka honey, yogurt extract, and mafura oil. What do those do? So yeah, it's a repair caused by over processing. It's intensive treatment, helps to strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and deconditions. Reinforces the strands for like abused hair, basically mine, because my hair gets abused all the time, you know what I mean? And then, you know, with Shea Moisture products, no sulfate, paraffins, and all that stuff that's not really good for your hair. So I'm excited to use this, and what's the directions? Do I wash my hair and then add this, or do I add this and wash my hair? Do you know what? No. Best thing to do is to clean the hair. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Don't mind my wall, I tried to paint it, don't like the colour, so anyway, see you guys in like real soon, real quick, okay? So I'm back, and my hair is washed, as you can see. What was I gonna do? I forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna now put in the treatment and see what it says. Okay, so it's a small amount from roots to ends. So it's for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly and style as usual. So I'm going to put this on my hair. I'm gonna leave it. It says 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for 20. Just because I have low porosity hair. So first of all, I'm going to start through the back and work my way through the front. Here, I don't have a lot of curling here. I know that from when I like dry my hair. So I'm going to start with like this amount first, and then I'll just continue to build up, if that makes sense. So after I've done all of that, I'm gonna go tie up my hair. Do I have a hairband? I should have a hairband somewhere. So here's my hairband, and I just put it all to the back, and then I twist it. Twist, twist, twist. And then I put my trusty, I don't know, this is my mom's, I think. It just appeared one day in the house, and I've been using it since, so. There we go, and then we're gonna leave that to incubate for like 20 minutes? Yeah, I said 20 minutes, so. See then. So if you guys want to see my cat, She's just here. Look at her. Look at my cat, guys. She does not take any of my nonsense. Inka. Oh, sorry. So I just like threw the shower cap on my cat. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my hair and then dry it and see the results. And yeah. So I've now washed it, yeah. And like what I normally do, like I don't know if I should do it to show you guys what it looks like without product, but I don't really. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some products. So what I normally use, I use two things, and these are both from Camille Rose, and you can also get them from Boots as well. It's a styling lotion with avocado and castor oil. It smells like vanilla. It smells really nice. And then I use the Camille Rose coconut water. What is it? I know what it is. It's like so basically this is like a styling gel that like helps to set. So this helps like putting moisture into my curls, and then this helps for it to like last longer. Hey, I'm back. Oh my gosh, like oh my god. Like guys, I have literally, since I've dyed my hair, I have not seen it like this. Frizzy bits on. I used to have a fringe, so originally like it would look like this, but what's good? Like this is my fringe, but I'm trying to get rid of her once I get a haircut. But guys, oh my god. like I'm shocked. Not shocked, but I see the difference. You know how my hair was at the beginning? Generally, like even if I was to put it up, that was how my hair looked generally. But I'm looking in the viewfinder, I'm like obsessed. I saw it in the mirror, I was like. So, final thoughts. Like even, you know, so look at this bit here. This literally was super straight. This bit, literally the lightest bits were very straight. They didn't even have like a wave. Like they have a wave now, and some of them are curling up. If Olaplex is too expensive, hi Shea Moisture, how you doing? Like yeah, and guys, I'll show you how much I used. I used that, can you even see it? Ooh, I used that much. I really like this product. I really like this product. Like Shea Moisture, props to you for coming out with this. Like I know that it was probably more available in the US beforehand, but like it's recently come here, this line in particular, the Manuka honey and yogurt. That line has recently come in. Like I'm really like pleased. Like money well spent, because I'm seeing results. Like, you know when you see results in a product the first time, that's how you know they're good. They're going to be good, especially if you continue to use this. Like I'm excited to see the results in the future when I continue to use this. So yeah, that's my review and I'm super excited. Love it. I love it. I love it. Alright then guys, take care and hope you have a good day, good evening, good sleep wherever you are, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.